Hi everyone, and welcome to the 2021 Central Illinois NCWIT Aspirations in Computing Award Ceremony. My name is Danielle Marcozzi, and I'm a part of the Central Illinois NCWIT Aspirations Committee here at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Today, we wish to congratulate you on your 2021 NCWIT Aspirations recognition. Your passion for technology and computing is awesome. We will begin the ceremony by showing you a video from Dr. Jamie Huber-Ward, the Associate Director of Extension Services for NCWIT, and some testimonial videos from previous NCWIT Award winners.
Hello, my name is Jamie Huber-Ward, and I'm the Associate Director of Extension Services at NCWIT. On behalf of the entire NCWIT community, I'm honored to congratulate our Central Illinois region NCWIT Aspirations in Computing Award recipients. I'm incredibly proud of the outstanding technical achievements you all have already accomplished, even though you have not yet graduated from high school. NCWIT, the National Center for Women in Information Technology, is a nationwide nonprofit community of more than 1,400 universities, companies, nonprofits, and government organizations with the mission of increasing the meaningful participation of those who identify as girls and women in the field of computing. This award recognizes your remarkable computing-related interests and achievements and connects you to a larger community of like-minded technical women and girls from around the country. As an Aspirations Award recipient, you represent some of the most promising technical talent in the country. We want you to know that NCWIT members are eager to see you succeed and shape the world of tomorrow. We look forward to welcoming you into our community of technical women who will do everything they can to help you succeed in computing and IT. The Aspirations community is a phenomenal network for technical women in computing and engineering who receive benefits such as private invitations to virtual and in-person meetups, visibility for technical achievements, computing outreach opportunities, hands-on activities for exploring computer science concepts, exclusive access to scholarships, internships, job opportunities, and more. We hope that you will take advantage of joining and engaging with this wonderful community. Women have been part of programming and computing science since the very beginning. From Ada Lovelace, known as the first programmer, to Grace Hopper, whose work in compilers made possible modern programming languages. From the female computers of Hidden Figures to Adele Goldberg, who created Smalltalk, the precursor to object-oriented programming. You are and can continue to be part of this legacy. These women represent some of the past accomplishments of female computer scientists, but currently, women just like you are making a difference every day. Students in our Aspirations in Computing community have contributed to projects that have reclaimed water from wastewater treatment facilities, built teddy bears that send hugs between parents deployed in the military and their children at home, developed smart prosthetics for amputees, and much more. IT professionals work on creative teams to develop cutting-edge products and solutions that save lives, solve health problems, improve the environment, and keep us connected. Computing is a part of every discipline, from medicine to business to psychology. If you want to be part of solving society's grand challenges, a background in computer science is a great start. Young women are the largest untapped pool of technical minds, and your input is needed for the development of new technology. Research shows that diverse teams of people designing technology will result in improved products and solutions and a broader array of problems that are being addressed. The presence of young women at the design table will ensure that the technologies and solutions we are devising to address the challenges of the 21st century are the best that they can be. So we welcome you into this legacy. Finally, in addition to all of you award recipients, I would also like to give a special thanks to your educators and families for all that they do to encourage and support you, as well as the Central Illinois Aspirations team for organizing this amazing opportunity for you all. Once again, congratulations to all of you and good luck in your future education and career endeavors.
Hello, my name is Lavanya Iyer. I am a former Illinois Aspirations Award winner and also a UIUC alum 2014. I would like to wish all of you congratulations for winning the Aspirations Award. You girls rock, and I can't wait to see what you'll accomplish in the future.
Hi, my name's Heather. First I want to say congratulations to all the winners for the award. I am one of the previous winners of the NCWIT Award. I won as a high school student, and I won as a state award winner for Georgia, as well as a honorable mention at the national level. And this was back in 2012 or 2013. Some of my activities or accomplishments before winning my award were things like attending a camp for learning about how to create Android apps. We learned some of the basics, and it was kind of a one-day camp sort of thing. I also went to a more technical high school, so I did a lot of engineering type things, but most of my accomplishments were things like interning through my school at a local IT company, as well as participating in a lot of math and science type competitions. After winning my NCWIT award, I felt like there were a lot more opportunities open to me, so I started getting a lot more internships. I had an internship at HP as well as in college. It really helped me with making connections and learning about opportunities like Grace Hopper, where I got internships at Google and other places. Currently, I am working full-time in Seattle at Facebook. So working in industry, previous to this, I did do a master's at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, which is where you all would be for the award ceremony. I feel like being a part of NCWIT has really impacted my life. I really love the NCWIT community and how everyone in the community is very supportive of each other, as well as how you can learn about many really great opportunities through the NCWIT community. I've been able to make connections with not only a lot of other girls in the community, but also making connections with companies, people at those companies, or finding opportunities to meet people from companies, which was really important to me since the undergraduate school I went to was not very well known for computer science and didn't have a very strong program like somewhere like UIUC does for connecting with corporate companies, so Facebook, Google, things like that. So I feel like NCWIT has made a really big impact on my life and has also given me a lot of valuable friendships that I've been able to kind of continue through my tech career. As far as tips or advice, I think the one thing that I always remember is that you shouldn't give up. So for me, I feel like I've applied to many places, and I went through the interview process for Facebook in undergrad. I didn't end up getting a full-time offer at that time, but I still was able to try again a few years later after graduate school, and now I'm currently working here. So I think one of the biggest things is to not give up. You are qualified, and even if you're getting a lot of rejections and it feels like you may not be qualified for the job, there could be a lot of factors affecting that. Additionally, I think it's really important to kind of take advantage of opportunities when you see them. So if there's something that you're even remotely interested in, I would definitely jump on that as soon as possible. I know for me, some of the things that have turned out really well for me have been things that I just kind of like went for. So there was, and also if you kind of like go for it, it kind of shows your interest in that. Anyways, congratulations again on winning this award, and I know you guys will go on to do a lot of great things in the future.
Hello, congratulations to the Central Illinois chapter. My name is Jia Chi, and I joined the NCWIT community when I participated in the Aspirations in Computing Collegiate Award in 2018. At the time, I was a junior at Arizona State University. I was heavily involved in both computer science and biology research and associated clubs. So I participated in iGEM, which is an international bioengineering research competition, and I was part of the team that organized Arizona State's first hackathon called Desert Hacks. Being a part of NCWIT really helped me grow my computer science network, especially during my first college internship when I moved to the Bay Area and I did not know anyone. So I love that it's a community where I can take my questions or fears about anything that I don't know and ask for things spanning interview prep help or career and course guidance, or even just to meet up with people in the area and grab lunch or talk about anything. And since becoming part of the NCWIT community, I have graduated with my Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science from Arizona State University, and then I went on to get my Master's of Science in Computer Science at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, which is what brought me to joining this Central Illinois committee. And now I am working full-time at Facebook, where I'm also part of their industry mentorship program, so that I can help give back to this community what I've learned over the years. My biggest piece of advice is don't hesitate to ask for help and use the resources that you have available to you, because NCWIT is a great community and you can really rely on them to support you in your future journeys. And best of luck.
Hello, my name is Danielle Marcozzi, and I have been a part of the Central Illinois chapter of NCWIT Aspirations in Computing since 2015. I am currently an informatics PhD student here at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and I've also received dual bachelor's degrees in agricultural and biological engineering from the university. I have been involved with NCWIT since 2012. I was a Northern Illinois winner in 2012 and 2013, a national runner-up in 2012, 2013, and 2014, and I was a national winner in 2015. When I was in high school, I was heavily involved with FIRST Robotics. I co-founded the world's largest FIRST Tech Challenge Robotics Club, and I also founded a FIRST Lego League club at an elementary school for gifted students. My individual teams went to the World Championships twice. I fell in love with computer science, robotics, and engineering, and I took every single computer science class my high school offered to the point where I skipped lunch in order to do so. And this led me to win multiple NCWIT awards. While I was getting my bachelor's degrees, I was involved in different organizations, such as the American Society of Agricultural and Biological Engineers, FIRST Robotics, Women in Engineering, the Society of Women Engineers, the University of Illinois Puerto Rico Disaster Relief Program, and, of course, NCWIT. And during my undergrad, I also created my own computer science class within my engineering department. And I'm still involved with all of these things while being in grad school. And outside of school, I've been working as a robotics engineer at John Deere for the past 3.5 years. NCWIT is an amazing organization, and it really has truly changed my life. Through NCWIT, I've had the chance to speak at different events, meet new friends, find different internship, research, and job opportunities, and receive advice on all kinds of topics, such as what laptop should I get for college, or what classes should I take. And being a part of NCWIT gave me the confidence, support, and encouragement I needed to pursue and succeed in STEM, and the desire to help other girls pursue STEM. And you were all so amazing and so inspiring, and I truly wish you all the best. If I could give you all one piece of advice, it'd be to keep doing what you're doing and remain passionate about what you love. You guys rock, truly. The NCWIT Award for Aspirations in Computing builds a talent pool for the growing technical workforce and helps academic and corporate organizations celebrate diversity in computing by honoring young women at the high school level for their computing-related achievements and interests. Award recipients are selected based on their aptitude and aspirations in technology and computing, leadership ability, academic history, and plans for post-secondary education. Our first awardee category is Rising Star. Rising Stars are students who may be starting out in their pursuit and study of computing. Rising Stars embody the idea of aspirations and are encouraged to continue their exploration of the field. This year's Central Illinois Aspirations Rising Star is Mariela Arias. Although Mariela has recently entered the computer science world, she never plans on leaving it. Mariela grew up going to a bilingual school where sexist stereotypes were pushed on her. Being told she would end up being a housewife only fueled her passion for learning math. Therefore, Mariela took both Geometry and Algebra 2 in her sophomore year. In doing so, she is now able to take more math courses in her high school career and a computer science course. Mariela plans on furthering her education in computer science and marketing in college. During and after Mariela's college career in computer science, she will work on projects to involve and demonstrate to young Latina girls they too are more than capable of pursuing a career in computer science. Congratulations, Mariela! Next, we would like to recognize our 2021 Aspirations Affiliate winners. Affiliate winners are students who have significantly demonstrated interest and aptitude for computing. We are excited to introduce the 2021 Central Illinois Affiliate winners. Sriniha Dagavolu has always been interested in new developments in the tech field. Her growing passion for computer science made her realize the reality of the public viewpoints on women in STEM fields. She hopes to influence other girls to take part in STEM by challenging the myth that women are not made for engineering or computer science. Outside of school, she is actively participating in several extracurriculars, such as Cyber Patriot, Computer Science National Honor Society, Key Club, and Student Council. In the future, she wants to use her computing knowledge and experience to improve the community of STEM.
Hi, Srinija. I just wanted to congratulate you and tell you how much I have enjoyed having you in my classroom and out of the classroom in our competitions that we've done. In the classroom, I really loved watching you work, especially with your mentor on your team, and how you really just took a leadership role there and always had great ideas. I loved watching you in the competitions on a team, working with other students and contributing and working outside of that time of the competition for your preparation. You were always prepared as a student, always prepared for competition. You are going to go far, and I know your passion for computer science. So I just again want to congratulate you, and please keep in touch and let me know how things progress with you and your pursuit in computer science. Congratulations.
Aishi Tulasaku is a junior in high school. She has an immense passion for technology and science. In the future, she would like to go to college and major in biotechnology with a focus on cancer treatment technology. Bannon Garada is a senior at Urbana High School in Urbana, Illinois. From a young age, she has been highly involved in local camps, like GEMS, and programs like CS Sail held at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. These experiences furthered her understanding and appreciation of technology and computing, as well as gained valuable exposure to such fields. Amber Waniger is a high school student who is enrolled in a program that will allow her to graduate high school with an associate's degree in computer science. She plans to attend college and earn a degree in elementary education. She would like to be able to more seamlessly integrate computer science into the classroom setting. Last but not least, we have Katrina Phillips. We would like to congratulate all of our awesome affiliate award winners. All of you rock. And our 2021 Central Illinois NCWIT Aspirations Educator Award recipient is April Sherman. April teaches AP Computer Science, Honors Algebra 2, and STEM Trigonometry at Normal West High School in Normal, Illinois. She currently chairs the math department and has served as the advisor for their local chapter of Girls Who Code since 2015. In 2016, she received the Outstanding STEM Teacher Award for Women in STEM, and she was also the recipient of the Educator Award for a Central Illinois chapter of NCWIT Aspirations. April graduated with a BS in Mathematics Education from Illinois State University, where she was the only second softball player in school history to be named an academic All-American. She also holds a Master of Arts in Teaching and Leadership at St. Xavier University. National Honorable Mention Awards go to high-achieving students selected to represent the rich diversity of applicants. 360 recipients are selected annually as National Honorable Mentions. In addition to being one of our affiliate winners, Sirihasa Nalamathu was also recognized with an NCWIT National Honorable Mention. Sirihasa, Siri for short, has been interested in STEM and tech ever since 6th grade. After participating in FLL robotics in 6th and 7th grade, she was intrigued by robots. In 7th grade, she learned how to code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and has actively coded ever since. In 6th grade, she noted the lack of females in coding and decided to start a Girls Who Code club at her school. She taught the girls in the club HTML, CSS, and JavaScript while continuing to encourage girls to pursue computer science, foster sisterhood, and create a positive environment. With her newfound love of teaching computer science, Sirihasa went on to co-found a Girls Who Code club at her local library to teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python to younger girls in an engaging and interactive way, while also showcasing women in STEM and offering mentorship. Using her app development skills, she created a support system, an iOS app to help prevent and report sexual assault. She is also the founder of the Dream Code Project in partnership with Girl Scouts Code, where she teaches HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, and machine learning. At the beginning of high school, Sirihasa started her self-taught journey to understand the nuances and complexities of the machine learning and artificial intelligence field. Combining this and her love for health technology, Sirihasa went on to create faster diagnostic tests for acute lymphoblastic leukemia and COVID-19. Sirihasa created Leucos Cognosis and created Riscus Explorato. Currently, Sirihasa is a student researcher at UIUC working with machine learning and data scraping. In the future, Sirihasa hopes to go into the deep learning field and use her knowledge to help others. We want to congratulate you all again. All of you are so awesome, and your passion for technology and computing is so inspiring. We wish you all the best, and we hope you have a wonderful summer.